Jada Kingdom seems to be going viral after this video that she posts. Stick around, full story coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Yes, people, so we know that Jada been in Atlanta for a while now, from her birthday the other day, and she's still there, you know, look like she working out at Atlanta. We see her go live and she there studio and thing, and she doing a lot of partying. Well, me not gonna say a lot, but a multiple time me see her out, and she post these on her snap, right? So it look like the other night now she got one club, and it look like a strip club cause money did a dash, and Jada said, oh, she not go see money does a dash or so and she not get none. So I have a video where it seems like, you know what I mean, me I see it everywhere, me I see it more and more. Me see she share it, I may just save it and have it, but me start see everybody I share it, so me just figure more that show on it too. Alright, so take a look at this video of Jada.
Rich people them last night that show money in the club now. So my jean shots here. Want to tell her how me beg say just this alone me could have walk away with. I true you know me. Original scraper. Nobody watch $1 them, $100 US, $100. You know how much this in a Jamaica? Sorry, say me never have on the right set of pants for scrape. Enough. Yeah, at the time. Sorry, said a little bit of shots at me. It could hold, everything could hold in the jean shirts and the little purse. Bex? I don't know who Bex like me. I don't know where I'm going to wait a little bit of shots there for. But watch next time. Just watch.
And with that video there, she just have one simple caption, and the caption say, Bex, your F. In the COVID-19 season, you kiss my teeth. Right? So, big up Jada. Another thing I see going with Jada yesterday, Jada share one picture where she look like she had do her makeup and thing. But I never really care about it or do nothing. You know, I never save that one there. But when time I look now, it's like I see she start posting her story and I say, yo, the people them for bill them and look on the picture too much or whatever. So apparently the fans them tell her say the makeup no look good and rare, and she will take down a picture. So Jada take down the picture, like that's cool to me, you know what I mean? Me never expect like some artists that be like, you know what I mean, and do what they want or feed them or them not care. But she actually take down a picture for her fans them. Her fans them say if you take it down, she take it down. So I guess I saw K-Mob strong. You see what I said? Then defend Jada every day, you know. So Jada know that. So whatever they want from Jada, Jada go do it for them. So big up the K-Mob for that. You see what I say? And big up Jada. Now the next thing we want to talk about people is Shenseea new song. It look like the song I got hit people. Members say Dancehall IG, they said that, but said the song I got hit because guess what I go on? More and more people that take the challenge, and not just more and more regular people where they them here do them phone. Me I talk about artists. Although we expect like TJ, you know what I mean? Yeah, we see him try off a Shenseea song number 4, but you know what I mean? Him actually team up with another artist, Panda one here. And the artist named Jaden, right? I see this promoter, I see Instagram. So let's take a look at TJ and Jaden lighter challenge. Here goes.
So when the right lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float up like the wind. You made me feel lighter. You made me feel lighter. You made me feel.
So honestly, one thing, people, put in the comment section and tell me then, kill it or what? A lighter run out of gas or what? Because of that I talk when I see I grow on social media. You see me? From Shenseea say no gas no in a Ufa lighter, she did say. Protege. Yeah, Protege did it yesterday and say no gas no in a Protege lighter. That me hear the people them must say. Now we have a next one for sure, right? Where this girl remix it and she has say burnout relation. Hear it. Mama played phone. Here what I go on.
When the bright light starts to fade, me I go borrow a smutty lighter, use gas and make it blaze, come make a burn down the relation.
Yeah, so the next one more show no is Dr. Phillip Combs. Now, if you don't know who Dr. Phillip Combs is, you probably see him on the internet all the while. He's like one of the most known doctor of Jamaica, on social media space at least. Cause I don't really know like exactly what he does or which hospital he work or like that. But I see him on social media all the time giving medical advice to Jamaican people, right? So he is a medical doctor though, but you know, he's kind of younger and he's with the younger generation. So social media a data film platform and film medium for reach out to young Jamaicans and advise them, right? So even him get on the action and a sing lighter. You see what I say? So let's take a look at his video right now. So yes, people, you know, most of the contestants, them then just take this thing for fun. Them just have fun. Them you know, I get joke and thing. But you have certain people where I take it serious and I really do a professional job or put a professional twist to it, I think, right? So the next two clip them I have, you know what I mean? I think them more have put an effort into it. So right now I want to show you a young lady. Her name is Jazan, right? And she's the daughter of Zandrama. So you must see Zandrama to on internet. You know probably Zandrama do the poetry them, right? Do the poetry and you always see her on the internet. So this is her daughter, Jazan, right? And Jazan get a shot. So let us take a look at Jazan video right now.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You made me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter.
Yes, people. So the next one I have to show you, I don't know what the name, but I see them do the Nico challenge when Nico did a go on. And then put their own twist to it, right? Them do it in a one choir style where three ladies and them sing in a, I don't know, I can't tell you like a alto or falsetto or whatever it is, right? But I don't know choir. For you people that were in a choir church, I know choir practice and singing go. I know maybe can clarify this, but you know what I mean? This seems pretty interesting to me. It is very interesting. So let's take a look at these ladies, you know, doing their thing. Doing the lighter challenge in their choir mode. So here goes the video.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel.
Yes, people. So I think Ramesh and Shenseea them do a good job with reposting because a lot of people miss them repost. You see me? Whereas as a matter of fact, I never see Shenseea post too much of any regular thing. I just like that challenge. You see me? And Ramesh see him post a lot of it. So if you can sing and you feel like you want to get a shot, it's not too late, you know what I mean? Still sing your song and, you know, tag Ramesh and tag Shenseea on Instagram. And hopefully you will get a repost, right? Now people want to talk about the song itself because for some reason they feel like the song you go places. Even if you know go so boom and go international, which me feel like them design it with international marketing in mind, but me feel like it a go whole Jamaica because here we go on. It just have the right amount of Shenseea and the right amount of Tarrus Riley, if that makes sense to what me I say. Because watch ya, Shenseea part now, it kind of have a Rihanna feeling to it. Most of Shenseea overseas song them, me hear people compare them with Rihanna. You see what me I say? But, you know, it's good. It's not a bad thing me I say no people. It's good because if you can identify Shenseea with Rihanna and you can differentiate at the same time, that's good for Shenseea. But when Tarrus Riley come now and put theme liquor, what am I do? What am I try reggae style to it? You know, say that just give it a different island vibe, island flavor. If you watch the video, them even when Daka sing it and him make fun with Shenseea part, one time Tarrus Riley part come on, him actually get serious and a vibe to it. So I saw it feel to me too. You see me, I see most people react to it that way. And I think that was intentionally designed by Russian to have that kind of effect there. You see what I say? So I feel like the song will go. I remember say Russian produce it people, so them man they have resources to make the song go. So hopefully, this are the one will put Shenseea up and over the top, and Tarrus Riley as well. Me I go and watch it, because the song a go on, people. Me not tell a lie, it's a go on, right? So that brings us to the end of today's video. So if it's your first time on this channel, and you like this video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join the family. If you just subscribe, thank you for subscribing and welcome to the family. For all my long-time subscribers, you are the real champion. Big up on yourself, right? And thank you for being here with us and making these videos still relevant. Thank you to everybody for watching, and have a wonderful day, night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk should know. 10 to black.